Hi, Lily. Who do you have with you today?
The eggs very hard in here.
Oh, the eggs are hiding in there?
Yes. Let's go here.
Let's see.
They're too big. This one is too big. That.
Yeah, let's see.
Too big.
Let's see if we can see the eggs. Oh, there's a blue and a green egg. And here we have orange, pink, and yellow. Are there any eggs inside? Oh, nope.
Purple.
Oh, the purple egg right here.
Yes, and then no more eggs.
No more eggs. How many eggs do we have? Do you know?
Yes.
How many?
Avocado.
Oh, Baba's joining us today.
Okay, Baba. Okay, let's see count.
Let's count the eggs, Bubba.
Let's go, Baba.
Ready?
This one.
Let's count those.
1, 2.
2 eggs. What colors are they?
Blue.
Blue and...
Green.
Let me see. There they are, blue and green. Okay, Lily, what are these colorful magnets that you have? What are these called? Do you know?
Magnets.
Magformers. Magformers. Okay, do you want to build us something? Can you and Bubba build us something with the Magformers? Okay. Go ahead, let's see.
Baba. Oh.
They're sticking together.
Look.
Great. Good job, Lily.
You're on the level.
Here, I'll help you out. Oh, it fell.
Oh. Oh. What happened? Hey!
What's up?
We're keeping them sitting together. Oh.
Look what Mommy made.
Oh, cute. For
It's a cube. Okay, Lily, you said you wanted to make a chair? Okay, let's try.
Baba.
Oh, Bubba wants a chair? Okay, I don't know if we can do that. Let's see. Let's try. Okay. Here, let's do maybe one on the bottom. Okay.
Baba chair.
Let's do one in the back to hold them up. Okay. And let's do... What do you think?
I like a party.
It looks like a potty. Let's see. What else do you want to make? Do you want to make a little house?
No.
Oh.
I stand up. The Baba can't.
Oh, Bubba's going to sit on the chair? Okay.
Baba is a party.
Oh, perfect. Good job, Bubba. Good job. Okay, Lily, he's all done. Okay, say bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Bye, Maggie.
Bye, magnets. Magformers.
Thanks for it.
Good job. Did you have fun?
Yes, Baba had fun and tired.
No, he's tired. Okay, let's put Bubba to sleep.